class, today we're gonna do the fire alarm. Please, and we're gonna do our math test. Flower, what is 66 plus 0? 0. 66. Yeah, yay! That was a right answer. Shadow gold, yellow gold, Jablina. What is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1? What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 1 plus 0. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That was correct. Yellow gold Jablina. Red helicopter. What is 10 11s, 10 14s plus 10 20s plus 1 20s plus 7 20s, 17 20s. That was the correct answer. Dark diamond shield. What is 100? What is 399 minus 166? 233. That was the correct answer. Sonic, what is 7.6? What is 0.76 minus 0.10? 0.66. That was correct, Sonic. Cyborg Thomas the Tank Engine. What is 66 plus 66? 66 plus 66 is... It is 132. That's the correct answer, and that is not funny. Miss Fritter, what is 10 what is 16 tenths? What is 16 26? What is 6, 7, 10? What is 11 16ths plus 11 16ths? That was the correct answer. That Freddie Larson. What is 16 plus 6? What is 31 plus 31? 62. That is correct. D. What is 66? What is 36? What is 0.36 plus 0.30? Plus 66. That is wrong. That is the correct answer. D. What is blue candle head? What is 10 plus? What is 66 minus 56? What is 66 minus? What is 56 minus 20? 46. That was the correct answer. Jimmy. What is 10 plus? What is 10? What is 10 minus 2000? What is 10 minus 12? Negative 12. That was the correct answer. Kirby. What is 10 plus? What is 10 minus 22? What is 0 minus 40? Minus 40. Negative 40. That was correct, Kirby. Thomas the Tank Engine. What is 33 plus 33? 66. That was the correct answer. What cyborg candlehead. What is 10 plus 56? What is 10 plus? What is 100 minus? What is 144 plus 100? What is 404 times 166? 238. That was the correct answer. Fire tafata. What is 200? What is 40? What is 400 times 10? 4,000. That was the correct answer. Okay, we did the math. Now it's time to go outside. I think we know about this. This is the wrong thing. Because this is the wrong thing. I agree with Doc Diamond Trio. Me too. I'm ungrounded and grounded for life. Yes, you are ungrounded for life. I agree with them. Me too. Man, because I love the flowers. Flower, you know you're ungrounded for life. I agree with them. Me too. Yellow gold Jabalina. I guess this means I'm ungrounded, right? That's right, Flower. You're ungrounded for life. The fire drill is over in 6 minutes. 6 minutes. I gotta pee in the grass. Ew! That's disgusting. That's it. I'm ungrounded for life. The fire alarms will be in 10. The fire alarms will be off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! The fire alarm ends. Now it's time to go inside.